Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer funds from PayPal to Revolut. All right, let's begin. First, open the PayPal app and tap on Wallet at the bottom right. Select your PayPal balance, then tap Transfer and choose Transfer to Bank. If your Revolut account is not linked, tap the plus icon in the top right and select Link a Bank Account. You may not see Revolut in the suggested list, so select Enter Bank Details manually. Choose your bank account's country and enter your IBAN. To find this, open the Revolut app, tap your initials in the top left, go to Account, then Account Details, and select the currency you want to deposit. Copy the IBAN and paste it into PayPal, then tap Add Bank Account. Once linked, return to your PayPal wallet, tap your balance, select Transfer, then Transfer to Bank. Revolut should now appear. You can choose Standard, which is free, or Instant, which has a 1% fee. Enter the amount you want to transfer, confirm the transaction, and the funds will appear in your Revolut account. So that's basically how you can transfer funds from PayPal to Revolut. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.